Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very beautiful, soft, acid washed, boiled Tassa fabric. A brown saree here with brown pallu, completely hand painted design done using cream color here. Half white is used for the pallu hand paints with zari lines as well. And we have same kind of painting in the one side border of the blouse piece. It's a plain blouse piece with one side painting design. The complete saree is having beautiful antique finish, golden zari. And we also have hand paints all over. Beautiful big floral design done using very elegant colors. Blue and the shades of orange and red are used for the flowers, and we also have the white used for the leaves here. Elegant one. The top half is completely painted and the lower half we have one side painting design. Beautiful saree, excellently painted in a dark brown shade, which is very elegant and attractive with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, very elegant, acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. On it the hand painting work is done. Here we have a very elegant pallu with zari lines and hand paint work. Multiple colors used for the hand paint. The saree color is the pallu color here too. It's a brown shade, coffee brown, very elegant one with same coffee brown blouse piece with one side the hand painted design in the borders. The whole saree is having beautiful zari borders. Very elegant, both silver and gold zari lines we can visibly see in the border. And on the saree, we have a very elegant hand painting work. Beautifully the hand paints are done in the lower half. Colors are multiple colors used, mainly yellow is used for leaves here, and the flowers are done in blue, orange mostly. Very elegant it is, a contrast one to the body color. Very beautiful artistic hand painting work done on pure Tassa, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, very elegant, boiled, acid washed, soft and elegant Tassa silk saree in a deep brown shade. Beautiful blackish brown it is with hand painted design. The same color pallu with zari lines and zari border. And one side of the blouse piece we have beautiful hand paints, the water lily concept, lotus concept here. Beautifully it's hand painted using the contrast colors. Deep brown shade saree. On it the contrast multiple colors are used for the painting here. The water lily and lotus concept. Beautiful colors. Yellow colors are used for the stems of the flower, and the flowers are done in beautiful red, pink and blue shades of colors. Excellent saree, elegantly hand painted and on pure Tassa, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful color, a blue with light grey pinch color, very elegant. Same color pallu with hand painted design in the pallu, and we also have zari lines. Same color plain blouse piece. Both sides we have zari borders in the blouse piece. The complete zari border done here is in golden shade. Beautiful color, a very different colored saree with hand paints that is in the lily concept, water lily concept. You can see the leaves that is done in yellow, under lilies done in a pink shade color. Very beautiful one. Water lilies done hand painted on a very elegant drab color shade saree, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, very elegantly done on pure acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a pink pallu with mild hand paints in half white color, and we also have zari lines, golden zari lines and golden zari borders all over the saree, with the blouse piece which is very different. The blouse piece is brown with one side the pink borders, and along with that we have the zari borders as well. The saree here is in beautiful design. The top is completely brown, dark shade coffee brown, and the lower half we have pink with the white hand paints. Very mild and beautiful saree, dark and pastel combination. Beautifully done with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, very elegant, boiled, acid washed, beautiful Tussar silk saree. On it, hand painting work is done. Here we have an onion peel, light pastel pink shade, same color pallu with the painting done using the cream color here, half white with zari lines as well in the pallu. Same way the blouse piece is also plain with one side hand painting design. It's an elegant, beautiful painting design. The saree completely is in same color, running color concept. The onion peel, pastel shade pink, and complete saree is having the painting work. All over the saree it's painted in the top half, and the lower half we have the plain portion, and the lower half alone we have painting. Beautiful design. It's a trendy and beautiful floral pattern. Elegantly hand painted on a pure Tussar silk in a pastel shade saree, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, a very elegant hand painting design done on pure acid washed, boiled, soft and elegant Tussar silk saree. Here we have a cream color pallu with pink as well, which is vertically alternatively given along with the hand painting design and zari lines. And here we have a contrast pink blouse piece, plain blouse piece with the zari borders. The saree here is always demanded, very beautiful cream color. The natural Tussar color it is, and we have the hand painting design, the lily concept, water lily and lotus concept, hand painted using the pink and grey shades. We also have the leaves done using green. Very pretty collection with the borders in the pallu color base. Beautiful one, very elegant and classy saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, very elegant hand paint, exclusive designs done on a very pure acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black shade pallu with yellow color used for the hand painting here. Elegant big flower designs, very beautifully it's hand painted with the zari borders as well. And we have a contrast pallu blouse piece, that is a yellow blouse piece with one side the black borders. It's a very different concept saree. The hand paints here are completely done in the top portion of the body, and when it goes down, the hand paint portion decreases and almost only the half and half portion is hand painted and the top half is completely plain yellow. Very elegant one when it is bad. The black and yellow combination is also really attractive with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, hand painted one, very elegantly done on acid washed boiled Tussar fabric, lightweight beautiful fabric. On it the hand painting work is done, and here the block print is done in the pallu with zari lines on a beautiful grey finish. The pallu is grey here with a blue blouse piece, a contrast blouse piece to the pallu, but the saree color is same as in the blouse piece color. The saree here is having a beautiful half and half pattern. The top half is plain ananda blue and the lower half is completely hand painted on the cream base. You can see the beautiful colors, mild greyish green, and is used for the painting, leaves and the twigs, and we have the florals done on red and yellow color. Beautiful hand painting work, very artistic, fine finished saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, a beautiful hand painting work on a classy Tussar, acid washed, beautiful and premium fabric, a lightweight, elegant silk, and we have the very different color saree, light green and blue mixed shade it is, very elegant color, and we have hand paints in the pallu also along with the zari lines. The blouse piece also have a beautiful hand painting design which can be used for the blouse back side, which is very pretty. Completely a floral design, hand painted using multiple colors. All pastel shade and beautiful colors used for the hand painting. You can see the artwork. Elegantly it's been done on the beautiful color. The saree color is the blouse color also here, running concept. And all over the saree we have the painting work. The top part is completely having the painting work, and the lower half it is having only in the lower end of the saree. Excellent work, perfect art finish with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, beautiful design done on premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A very beautiful fabric. And we have a royal blue color pallu, beautiful color. And we have jari border with jari lines in the pallu. With same blue color blouse piece. One side we have light sea green color borders. The saree is in a very pretty half white color, dull finish, half white. You can see the floral design and painting, beautifully done using the dark blue, magenta and sea green color. Excellent design, beautifully painted artwork. We also have block printed design on the top border in royal blue. The borders are also in the royal blue, which are seen. Excellent work with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, a beautiful hand painting on a premium quality tussar, acid washed, premium, soft and boiled tussar fabric. A brown saree, coffee brown color, the same color pallu, and we have hand painted design done using the half white here. Very simple and beautiful design with zari lines as well in the pallu. The same way, the blouse piece also have one side the hand painting design which is given in the, which can be used for the body of the blouse, back portion. And here we have a very different and trendy design hand painted all over the brown saree. You can see the beautiful cream color painting, and it is done in a big flower kind design with beautiful 5 petals. Very elegant flowers all over the saree. The hand painting work is done. The top portion and the lower portion, only the lower half, the painting is done. With the zari borders, the saree is really beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted beautiful tussar, acid washed, boiled, beautiful tussar it is on a deep brown color shade, the coffee brown in a deeper shade it is, a very pretty one. The pallu having very elegant hand painting work on it, and we also have zari lines as usual. And the saree have the beautiful blouse piece, the same running color. You can see the brown concept, it is little under coffee brown shade. And we have all over brush painted design as well with multiple colors along with the florals. Literally a very trendy and beautiful design. Latest painting design it is. All over the saree the painting work is done using mainly the pink shades here. Pink and yellow. Very elegant and beautiful saree. Complete an artwork handmade with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, a very beautiful hand painting done on tussar, a fine artwork on a boiled acid washed beautiful tussar fabric, lightweight excellent silk, and we have the same body color pallu here with hand painting design, the lotus pattern along with the zari lines, and we have the blouse piece which is also in the same running color, and we also have the blouse piece having little hand painted design. The saree here is in light bluish grey, very different color, a pastel color too, and it is having a very elegant lotus design, hand painted. The lotuses are done in the rustic red and orange mixed shade, and we have the stem of the lotus done in yellow. Pretty work all over the saree. It comes the lower half. Excellent and beautiful hand painting work on pure tussar, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, a very beautiful hand painting done on tussar. Excellent artwork on beautiful lightweight and acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu and black is given on the base to the hand painting here. Multiple colors used here. Finely done one with zari lines as well, vertically given. The same pink blouse piece, a plain blouse piece. very contrast one for the body. The body here is in jet black, beautiful majestic black. On it the hand painting work is done using the beautiful and attractive colors, green, pink, red and almost yellow. All colors are given for the flowers. The green is given here in the leaves. Beautiful work, excellent hand painting artwork done on a pure Tassa silk, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. It's a very beautiful and exclusive batik printed work. You see the pallu, batik printed pallu on base, half white. Blue color is used for the batik printing. You can see the blue in the end of the pallu also. And the same goes given for the blouse piece with both sides jari border. The saree is in half white color, almost white milky half white. You can see the beautiful work, completely hand painted one. Matching blue and yellow colors, pink are used for the flowers. This is a very different concept here. Border, batik on border, jari border. Beautiful one, different one too with authentic silk.